You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Phrase from pronunciation from Latin. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. The national motto of the Confederate States of America, Deo Vindice. Deo Vindice, it's how it's generally pronounced in the US, and that's how it would be pronounced in classical Latin, Deo Vindice, or Vindice even in classical Latin. Now in the Italian Church's Latin, Deo Vindice. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.